Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about the different types of concrete. First of all, we have the ordinary concrete. This is commonly the most used type of concrete. The constituents are cement, sand and aggregate, mixed with water, typically in the ratio 1, 2 and 4. It is generally used with steel. To support tensile force, it becomes a composite material. It's called reinforced concrete. Secondly, we have lightweight concrete, also called cellular concrete. This is a very flowable material and can be easily poured by using gravity and is self-leveling. It is typically used to construct floor slabs, window panels and roofs. Third of all, high-density concrete. This is a heavyweight material. It's formed from crushed rocks as coarse aggregate. It provides a good shelter against X-ray and radiation. This type of concrete is generally used in nuclear stations. Then, there's precast and prestressed concrete. This type of structures is formed from concrete and cable that are in tension. They create a compressive force in the part that there's a tensile force in the concrete. Glass reinforced concrete. This concrete contains glass fiber. It is commonly used in cladding. Self-compacting concrete. This is a non-segregating concrete. It can flow under its own weight. It is used in the construction of complex concrete frames. Finally, concrete fiber. Concrete fiber is a mixture of cement, concrete or mortar and evenly dispersed suitable discontinuous fibers. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.